Here, boy. Wiki, here. Here, buddy. There are times he will run straight into the pond. Yep, just like that. And start drinking because he knows that Zelda won't follow, and most of the time Nisa doesn't either. I don't know if you can see him. He just ran straight in and is like, water break. And Zelda's like, hurry up. And Nisa's like, I'm pregnant. I don't want to run that much. It cracks me up to see him running with like a 6-inch log in his mouth that's like 2 feet long, just running full blast with his long hair flopping around. He just looks like a giant puppy. Oh, look at that. He's got a freaking 2-foot stick right there. What you got, buddy? I'm gonna get that stick. Can I have that stick? I'm gonna get it. Wrong way. Oh, there's a standoff. Get him. Get him, Zelda. Oh! And then she runs. Sometimes he gets her a little hard. But she'll run into the trees because he's too big to fit back there. You're okay, come on. Go get him. Wicked easy, buddy. I'm worried him about plowing into Nisa because she's knocking the babies out of her and shit. Uh-oh. Wicked's on the hunt. I guess the dock froze last night and the kayak moved on its own in the wind. I'll have to go fix that. I wish you would stop hunting Zelda. Go get him, Zelda. Zelda. Wicked, I'm gonna get your stick, buddy. I'm gonna get your stick. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You better get it. I'm gonna get that stick. I'm gonna get it. You get it. Oh. Oh, Nisa's coming. You're gonna get it. They're all gonna get it, buddy. You better do something. Zelda's being a wimp in this cold weather. Normally she can take him down. And Nisa will team up. Here comes Zelda. Oh, there she goes. Hi, buddy. Back to the stick. Nisa, come here. Here. Nisa, here. Those are my targets over there. Good girl. Nisa, here. Sit. Sit. Good girl. You good, mom dog? Can you shake? Shake. I don't want to kiss. Give me a shake. Nisa, shake. Nisa, shake. Sit. Sit. Shake. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you happy dog? Yeah. Good girl, Nisa.